When considering the expansion of its international airport, the City of Kelowna set a goal for the design team to achieve provincial CO2 reduction targets with a design that would meet their budget.
When you look at an airport, you are seen in the community as an economic engine. As a good corporate leader, you want to ensure that your footprint, your greenhouse gas footprint, is as low as it can be. And as we expand this building, we know that our operating costs are going to increase dramatically, and it's important that we don't spend money on things that we don't have to.
A fully integrated, multidisciplinary design firm made up of electrical, mechanical, and structural engineers and architects was engaged to study the existing building stock and design the expansion to accommodate anticipated passenger growth over the next 15 years.
It's a large undertaking and there's a lot of planning, and that's where our integrated design approach really helped out. We all sat around the table together and got the job done. And there's a lot that goes on with energy modeling, and energy modelers come back to us, and there's a lot of back and forth, so there's a lot of discussion that took place, and I think it worked out very well.
The design team began by evaluating the greenhouse gas impact of the proposed 86% expansion, while the engineering team performed an audit to assess potential energy savings for the existing facility. A comprehensive three-dimensional computer simulation was created to identify peak heating and cooling loads for various sustainable design options, room temperature, critical solar angles, daylight opportunities, and overall energy consumption.
By replacing outdated equipment with newer high-efficiency equipment, we're able to, once the work is done, to save energy, but to also utilize the new expansion in cooperation with the existing systems.
As they formulated solutions was to look at what is the cost benefit of investing that kind of money into that facility or that processor or that portion of the facility. Certainly the recommendations that Dialog came back to us with were tremendous.
Once complete, the expanded Kelowna International Airport will produce approximately 60% less CO2 than it does today, even though the terminal will almost double in size.
In terms of legacy, the project leaves behind operating costs that will be significantly lower for the airport, and that's always a big win for operators of any large building. But also what it's doing is it's helping the city reduce its overall footprint, and it leads the way really throughout British Columbia in terms of lowering carbon emissions, and it shows what's possible.
For its creative solutions to reducing the impact on the environment in the concept and assessment phase of the Kelowna International Airport expansion, APEGBC is proud to present Dialog with an environmental award.